In this video, we are going to learn AND operator. The where clause can obtain one or many AND operators. The AND operator is used to filter records based on one or more condition. The AND operator displays a record if all the conditions are true. In where clause, we can apply AND operator. Basically, AND operator is used when we want to apply two conditions. When these two conditions are true, then only we will get our data. See this. Select star from customers. It will go for customer table. It selects all the columns and then it apply where condition where country is Spain and customer like G. We will see this in next topics, but like is used to see first letter, like using G means customer name having first letter as G. See, country is Spain and customer name customers having first letter as a G displayed. And syntax select column name, column 1, column 2 from table name where condition 1 and condition 2 and conditions. Using and we can apply multiple conditions, but it is necessary the column will follow all the condition, then it will display in output. Here we applied multiple conditions. If here we applied three conditions in this query, if two conditions are true, then this will not display in our output. It will display only when these three conditions are true. Their country is Brazil, city is Rio de Janeiro, and customer ID is greater than 50. Basically, AND is used when we apply multiple conditions and it is necessary to all these conditions are true, then only we will get data. AND versus OR. The AND operator displays the record if all the conditions are true. The OR operator displays if any one of the condition is true. Combining and OR. You can also combine and OR operators. The following SQL selects all customers from Spain that start OR and R. Make sure to use parentheses to get the correct result. Let's try this. In this query, select star from customer, all customer columns where country is equal to Spain and customer name like G or customer name like R. Because we apply here parenthesis, this line first get execute. Uh, this line first get execute. It will check what OR operator does. If any one of the condition is true, then it will return that particular row and then add. See this in example. Customer name like G or R. Customer name have G or R are display and then and condition get applied and then we check for country is equal to Spain. Without parenthesis, the SQL above will return all the customer from Spain that starts with G plus all the customers that start with R regardless of country value. Here we doesn't use parenthesis. So what SQL understand that this and work with this condition also, and this and work with this condition also. And operator is used to filter records based on more than one condition. True. What will this SQL query return? Select star from customer where country is equal to Spain and customer name like G. All the customer whose name who's from Spain and whose name start with G. What result will this query return? Select star from customers where country is Germany and city is equal to Berlin and postal code is equal to 12,000. Like see guys, in this query we didn't use parentheses, so it will return uh, uh, city having Berlin and country is all the records from city having Germany, where sorry, it will return all the records from country having Germany where city is Berlin and sorry. In this query, see, it use all and operators. So when these three condition gets true, this data only it will return. All the German customers from Germany in Berlin with selects all record where city column has the value Berlin and the postal code column has the value stop customer where city is Berlin and you cannot combine and or operate. We can combine. This is completed. Next, we are going to learn or operator because these are same. The SQL or operator, the where clause can contain one or more or operators. The or operator is used to filter record based on more than one condition. The or operator display a record if any of the condition are true. Select all customer where country is Germany or Spain. In AND operator, what happen if both the conditions are true? Then only we will get that data. But in where clause in or operator, what happen if any one of the condition is true? Then we will get output. Syntax of or operator: select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3. You can apply multiple conditions. At least one condition must be true. In or, at least one condition must be true. And in or, all the condition must be true. And versus or. And operator displays a record if all the conditions are true. Or operator displays a record if any one of the condition are true. Combining and or. You can also combine and or. We have seen this already. Using parentheses, if this is true, it will compare with this. If this get because we use parentheses here, if any one of this is true, then it return true. And if country is Spain, it also return true and we will get our data. If any one this is false, then it will not return anything. Okay, select star from customer where country is Spain. Like see here we didn't use parentheses, so it will compare country Spain with customer like G, and it will also compare country Spain with customer like R. So all the customer name start with G and customer name start with R who live in Spain will get displayed. What is the primary purpose of OR operator? Based on multiple conditions, at least one condition is true. Select all records where the city, Berlin or London. Select star from customer. The city is Berlin or city is London. Which SQL query would select all customer from either Germany or Spain? Select star from customer. Your country is Germany or Spain. What will be the following SQL query written? Select star from customer where city is Berlin or country is Norway. All the customers from Berlin or Norway. Which SQL query would select all Spanish customer whose name starts with G or R? Select star from customer where country is Spanish. And so we have completed OR operator. Now next we will learn NOT operator. NOT operator. The NOT operator is used in where clause to return all the records that do not match the specific criteria. It reverses the result of condition from true to false and vice versa. The following SQL statements: all customers are not from Spain. Basically, NOT operator is used if we didn't want specific data. Like if we didn't want people from Spain, we didn't want to display see people from Spain, and then we use not operator. Like in this query, select star from customers where not country is equal to Spain. Where country is not equal to Spain will get to display. Here is no country called Spain. And here also we can use AND operator like and equal to Mexico. Your country is not Spain and country is equal to Mexico. So and country is Mexico. Here we didn't get an output country where Mexico also. Like this, we can apply multiple conditions. In the example above, not operator used in combination with equal to operator. The not operator is also used in combination with other operators to exclude data. Yes, so not operator is basically used to exclude data. Not like, not between, not in, is not null, not exist. Syntax of not operator is select column 1, column 2 from table name where not condition. Demo database. The not like operator. The not like operator is used in where clause to exclude rows that matches the specific character pattern. There are two wildcards often used in conjunction with not like operator. is percentage sign and underscore sign. We have seen this previously. This percentage sign and underscore sign is used when we want to uh, apply condition like start with A or end with a D. These types of condition for this use percentage operator. Here in percentage operator, if in percentage operator, if we want to start with that letter, then we will take letter first and then apply percentage operator. And in underscore, see, here we use not like, so not like, use like A, get all A. And yes, if I want names, customer names end with A, then see. Using percentage sign, if we want to start with some letter, then at start we add that character, and after that we use percentage sign. And for underscore, the not between operator. The not between operator is used in where clause to select rows over where a value falls outside a specific exclusive range. The not between operator can use with numeric text or data values. Here, not between operator is used to exclude these two and get data between these two values, 10 and 60. See. Where customer ID is not between customer ID. See. We didn't get customer ID between 10 and 60. We use between, then we get from start of 10 to end of 60. Not in operator. The not in operator is used in where clause to exclude rows that match any value in a specific list or subquery result set. The following SQL select all customer with city not in Paris or London. Select customer that are not from Paris or London. Select star from customers where city not in Paris or London. Basically, it work like or operator. It will show in result customers who are not from city Paris or London. See, there's a city called Paris or London. Basically, not in operator works like or operator. Not greater than. The not greater than condition is expressed with not operator in conjunction with the standard greater than or equal to operator. Select customer with a customer ID not greater than 50. Then what it will return? The customer ID which is smaller than 50. Yes. Not less than. The not less than condition express with the not operator in conjunction with the standard less than or equal to operator. Select customer with a customer ID or less than 50. What is the primary purpose of SQL not operator? Use the not keyword to select all records where city is not Berlin. Customer here not city but which SQL query would select all customers that are not from Spain? Select star from customer where country not Spain. Sorry, not country is Spain. We apply this operator before column. Select the correct statement to return all customers whose name do not start with the letter A. Select star from customer where customer select star from customer where customer not like